Today I am making healthy ABC muffins, apple, banana and carrot. These are simple, homemade and perfect for everyday snacking. Let's get started. Take 2 ripe bananas. Mash the banana until smooth. Make sure there are no big lumps. This helps the muffin turn soft. Now take 2 medium-sized carrots, peel it and grate it. Take an apple and grate it too. Now let's make the dry ingredients. 3 cups of oats, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is optional but it is really good with apple, banana and oats. I have taken 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I took half of the dry ingredients and grounded it finely. Add the fruits with the dry ingredients and give a gentle mix. Add half cup of milk and 1/3 cup of olive oil in a bowl. Mix it to the batter and give a gentle mix. Take 3/4 cup of jaggery, add some teaspoons of water and melt it. You can add more or less jaggery as per your taste. Give a gentle mix and the batter consistency should look like this. Place the muffin cups or brush oil. Fill the muffin cups about 3/4 full. Take an apple and cut into thin slices for the swirl. Spread it on a plate, microwave for 10 seconds or cook it for some time. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Look at how soft these muffins are. Apple, banana and carrot in every bite. So simple and homemade. Subscribe for more simple, healthy homemade recipes.